Hi guys, good morning. So yeah, it's a back to school vlog and I've not been in school for 9, 10, 11, 1 year. Yes, this October will make it 1 year sharp that I've not been in school. I don't even know what going to school feels like again. Just hope do not stress me. So yeah, it's a back to school vlog. I am going to take you guys through all the processes, from I look like a piece of shit, so I'm going to make my hair today. So from making my hair, I just hope I'll be able to, well, if I'm not able to vlog at the salon, so be it. That's not the main aim of this video. So yeah, I see you guys when I see ya. Bye for now.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down when you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options, yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much, but with you I forget my worries. Behind me they can't touch me now. Yeah, that's how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down when you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball.
You can tell me that the sky is blue when it's gray. Never ever met a liar, made me feel this way. You can tell me anything and I believe it, baby. You can treat me anyway, feel like I need it, baby. I guess I'm free falling. You promised to catch me, but it's cool. Let the sky just caress. Guess I'm free falling. In love with loving you, the truth is. You know I can see clearly through you. I'm not gonna stir up a fuss. You put up your smoke in your mirrors. All I see clearly is us falling too deep.
Hey guys, so yeah, I am done packing. Even if I pack like I'm going to my husband's house, I'll just have to reduce those things because they are too much. It was later I realized that these things I'm packing, they seem to be too much, yo. If I get to the school and they'll pursue me, I'll say, what happened? What happened? Where are you going to? So yes. And I don't know if you all noticed my hair. I changed it because I wasn't liking the first one, so I had to just lose it and make my usual all back, yeah, popularly known as cornrows. So yeah guys, it's tomorrow, we shall. So let's go.
You can tell me that the sky is blue when it's gray. Never ever met a liar, made me feel this way.
Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me. So we are pumping tire. Yes.
Tell me anything and I believe it, baby. You can treat me anyway, feel like I need it, baby. I guess I'm free falling. You promised to catch me, you know, but it's cool. Let this guy just correct. Guess I'm free falling. In love with love and you, the truth is. You know I can see clearly through you. I'm not gonna stir up a fuss. You put up your smoke in your mirrors. All I see clearly is us. Falling too deeply in love and I'm just enjoying the rush. Thinking ain't nearly as clearly sound as I'm thinking it was. I'm just in love with the violence. Please don't stop beating me up. All those cold shoulders and silence only be heating me up. I know all my actions are lack thereof might look silly to see. Guess it's just how I react to love, like how chemistry be. I guess I'm free falling. I'm falling hard. I'm falling hard. I dropped all my cards. And I'm falling hard. I'm falling on and on. You can tell me that the sky is blue when it's gray. Never ever met a liar made me feel this way. You can.
Hi guys, welcome to another day. It's a Sunday morning. I'm just coming back from church. Yes, I couldn't make any other video yesterday because I was totally drained, like I was tired. Oh, I entered the hostel around past 5 and I just managed to arrange a few of my clothes in the wardrobe, and after that I slept. I could not even sleep because I was not even so comfortable. I was angry. I'm still angry. You should not worry. I'm not comfortable in the hostel because don't worry. So guys, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, yes, comment, share, and yes, I see you all in my next video. Bye. This is my Bible.